boy, are these chairs heavy. I'm gonna put this down. Are you telling me, Ken? These chairs are really heavy. I know, and you're gonna carry the rest of the stuff in. Okay. Let's just hope the girls can carry the stuff in. Dad, where are your big strong muscles for the umbrella?
Where's your strong muscles for the chairs?
Well, Chelsea, it's pretty simple. Today, I am strictly off duty.
Hey, what? No!
Okay then, let me get the umbrella set up. And voila! The umbrella complete. Great job, sweetie. You earned yourself relaxing points.
Daddy, I found a stick!
Wow, Ellery, that's a really nice stick you got there.
I'm gonna go grab the beach chairs. Got the beach chairs.
Now, raise your hand if you want to build a sandcastle.
Me.
I'll go ahead and find a nice spot. Nice soft sand. This is the perfect spot. Chelsea, Ellery.
Yeah, Dad?
Take a look at this beautiful soft sand to make your beautiful sandcastle.
Ooh, beautiful. Thanks, Dad. Daddy, giant seagull was gonna eat me!
Whoa, Ellery, I think you're leaving out some key details. I don't think a seagull is trying to eat you.
I'm going to build my turtle. I wanna help! Okay, Ellery. Here's a shovel. Can you please grab me that red peel? Sure. Here you go, Ellery. Thank you. One turtle's not enough. I'm gonna make another one. Maybe you can make a whole family with a grandma and grandpa. Ooh, good idea. Hey, Ellery, meet my turtle family. Wow, that's a lot of turtles, Chelsea. Hey, Daddy, wanna do a sandcastle competition?
Sure, Chelsea, but spoiler alert, I'm gonna win. This Sandman for sure is going to win. Wow, that's not good.
I'm the queen of the mountain!
Sorry, Sandman, we're outcastled. Please be careful, Chelsea.
Look what I built! Whoa, this is so cool, Chelsea. Thanks.
That's a really cool cave you got going there, Chelsea. Please wrap it up. We're gonna be leaving soon.
Okay. Bye, beautiful sandcastle. Come on, Ellery, let's clean up.
Thank you so much, Jellies, for tuning into our little beach vacation. Please like and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye!